Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Flow and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store and they will update your app, so please don't forget